We think we're busy today, but imagine a life with no phones, no shops, no electricity, just you, nature, and survival. This is what a real day in the Stone Age actually looked like. Stone Age humans woke up with the sunrise. There were no clocks, no alarms. The first task of the day was checking the fire from the night before, making sure it hadn't gone out, since starting a new one from scratch took real effort. Breakfast wasn't a quick bowl of cereal, it was whatever was left over from the previous day's hunt or gathered berries and nuts stored nearby. For most Stone Age communities, the biggest chunk of the day revolved around food. Men typically went out hunting in groups, tracking animals for hours, sometimes even days, using spears and traps they'd crafted themselves. Meanwhile, women and children often gathered fruits, roots, and edible plants closer to camp. This wasn't a lesser task. Gathering actually provided the majority of calories in many groups, more than hunting itself. Every part of an animal that was caught was used: meat for food, skin for clothing, bones for tools. Nothing was wasted. Large part of the day went into tool making and shelter maintenance, sharpening stone tools, repairing spears, weaving baskets, or reinforcing shelters made of branches, animal hides, or even mammoth bones in colder regions. This wasn't a one time task. Tools broke constantly, so crafting was a near daily necessity. Stone Age life wasn't just about survival, community mattered deeply. Groups were usually small, often extended families, and cooperation was essential. They communicated through spoken language, gestures, and cave paintings that recorded hunts, rituals, and important events. Some of the oldest messages in human history. Once the essential work was done, evenings were for rest and connection. Around the fire, they told stories, passing down survival knowledge and myths through generations. Archaeologists have found ancient dice like bones and carved game pieces, suggesting they played simple games of chance. Music also existed. Bone flutes, dating back over 40,000 years, have been discovered, meaning even Stone Age humans made time for art and entertainment. As night fell, someone would keep watch near the fire to protect the group from predators, while others slept close together for warmth and safety. Sleep patterns were tied directly to daylight. No artificial light meant early nights and early mornings. So, next time you think your day is exhausting, remember: Stone Age, humans hunted, built, crafted, and survived all before they even got to relax by the fire. If you found this interesting, follow for more deep dives into ancient history.